So world, I'm here, man. I got a brand new video for y'all, man. This is the last of the series for this week, man, of the unwrapping of the graphic tees, man, the collaboration tees. So this is the last one I'll be uploading for this week, but I'm still gonna do the last one for y'all today. So let me show y'all this drip, this fire, this heat. This one is by Diamond Supply, collabed with Killer Cam again. So if y'all seen the previous one before this, y'all already seen the drip before. So this is another drip just for y'all. Y'all gotta see this. So you can't see much right here. Y'all can see the boy right there, right? Y'all see the paint? Y'all see the boy, man? Y'all see the guard, right? I see the guard. Drip. I see this is that drip. Oh man, sitting in that socket. This is what the shirt looks like. The full thing. Y'all see that, right? These collabs is fire. That's that fire, y'all. That fire. We drinking sake in the Suzuki. We in Osaka Bay. Only them cam heads know about that. But y'all see that drip, right? If y'all need that drip, that streetwear, go to Diamond Supply, man. They got it all. Check out their collabs, check out their regular stuff. They got it all, man. They got that fire. So I do want to show y'all one last final angle of the graphic. If y'all know these lyrics, man, you a Cameron fan. That's from Down and Out. I see the graphics, man. Purple, pink, Timbs, bandanas, all of that. Drip.